Michael Faraday was born in 1791 in Newington Butts, London, and grew up in a poor family. At the age of 14, he started an apprenticeship with a local bookbinder, but he spent most of his free time reading books on science and conducting experiments. In 1812, Faraday attended a series of lectures by the chemist Humphry Davy, who was the director of the Royal Institution. Faraday was so inspired by Davy's lectures that he sent him a letter asking for a job as his assistant. To his surprise, Davy hired him and Faraday began working at the Royal Institution. Faraday quickly proved to be a talented scientist, and he made several important discoveries. One of his most famous experiments was his work on electromagnetism. In 1821, he discovered that by moving a magnet through a coil of wire, he could generate an electric current. This was the first demonstration of electromagnetic induction, and it laid the foundation for the development of the electric generator. Faraday also discovered several other important principles of electromagnetism, including diamagnetism and electrolysis. His work on electrolysis led to the discovery of several new elements, including chlorine, sodium, and potassium. Despite his many achievements, Faraday was never appointed to a professorship at a university, as he had little formal education. However, he continued to work at the Royal Institution for the rest of his life, conducting groundbreaking research and inspiring generations of scientists. Faraday was a deeply religious man, and he saw his work as a way of understanding and appreciating God's creation. He was also a devoted public servant, and he gave many lectures and wrote numerous papers to share his knowledge with the general public. Faraday died in 1867, but his legacy lived on. He is often called the father of electricity for his pioneering work on electromagnetism, and his discoveries continue to shape our understanding of the physical world.